And jump ball mga bossing. And first ball, lugto for Claraa. Number 12 to the corner. Oops. And Western Visayas for the inbound. Number 29. Sa gitna. Pass back, corner pass. Fires at 3. Bang! First blood. Here comes Western Visayas. Number 18 at the top. Number 3, natabik ni Lugto. Stolen by Lugto. Behind the back. Oh, nadulas. Nice pass. Lays off the glass. Connects. Grabe, umpisa pa lang. Nagpapakita na si Lugto. And it's number 18. Babawi. Gading. Corner pass. Sa gitna. Natap na naman. Naagaw na naman. Lays and lamang na dito. And corner pass, number 18 sa gitna, picks, number 24, pass it back, right wing, stop, deep 3, no, rebound number 18, bounce pass sa kasama, binalik, number 18 drives to the hoops, bullseye, Lugto, pass to number 15, Lugto, deep 3, off the mark, rebound para dito sa Western Visayas. Number 29, diretso. Oh, that's a friendly roll. And here's Lugto. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Unti-unting pumapasok. Here comes corner 3. Manuel of the target. Rebound dito. Bump. Part Antolin. Rejected. Rebound dito. Kicks it out, fakes, dribble, creates space, pull up, jumper, that's good! Number 7, pass back, number 8, nakalusot, tuloy-tuloy, sa gitna, pasok yan, tie game. Tie game tayo mga bossing. Naagawan, for the lead, Lugto for the lead! And change favor tayo mga bossing. 10-8 score natin. Luke Rose, number 16. Fires at 3. Won't go too strong. Ties the game. Basket and 1. Rose at the top. Sa gitna, number 16. Crossover. Nakalusot to. Left in area. Basket is good. Grabe yun. Number 16. Corner pass. 4-3. Bang! Luke Rose! Lugto, behind the back dribble against number 16. He goes to the screen, stop, deep 2, bullseye! Lugto, cross pass, number 8. Attacks, pull up, jumper, manla pass, no. Rebound mapupunta dito kay Paras, putback shot, no. Lucros, high pass inside, kicks out. Paredes, create space, pull up, jumper, bullseye. Lugto for the inbound, sa gitna. Fakes, drives, corner pass. Inside, libreng-libre, gandang pasa, gandang tira. Rose. Number 51, Paredes. Number 16. Crossover, move the side, step, corner pass, pull up, jumper, corner 2. That's good. Rose, reverse layup. Wow, pocket is good. Luke Rose. Number 25. Deep 3. No good. Rebound. Putback, sinausaw. Basket and 1. And stops. Pass to Pineda. Manla pass, bounce pass, corner. Number 15, hook pass sa gitna. Pull up, J, no. Rebound mapupunta dito kay Flores. And here you go, number 16. Corner pass, step back for 3. Bang! Dani! Pass to the right. That's Gading. Number 11, corner pass. Bounce pass sa gitna. Paredes. Gading. Pull up jumper. Won't go. Rebound mapupunta dito kay Pineda. Pinasa, binitbit, lace, it's good! And here comes Region 6, number 24. Almost stolen. No, stolen. Dalawa yung nasa baba. And fires. Easy two. And here's Region 3. Pineda to the corner. Pass back. Number 15. Drives. Pass corner 3. Manuel too strong. For the inbound. Sa gitna, Manuel, open. Atake. Floater shot. In and out. Nandun si... And Antolin, create space pass. Basket and one. Antolin. For the tie. And he ties the game. Luke Rose against Pineda. Dancing, spinning. Oh! Pass to Gadding. Pass back, Luke Rose. Attacking the defense, is spinning, guarded by 3. Pull up jumper off the window. Bank shot is good. Final free throw. No, won't go. Rebound dito sa team Clara. Oh, basket and one for the lead. And bus one. And it's stolen. And here you go, what? Pineda, full price, basket is good. Mapapa-defense kayo dito ang Region 3. Luke Rose against Pineda. Cross pass, number 18, Gadding, attacking the defense. Put and fires, yes sir. Rose against Pineda, behind the back dribble. Lulusot dito. Pineda, Luke Rose is dancing against Pineda. Luke Rose attacks. Corner pass, wide open. Gadding for 3. In and out. Rebound mapupunta dito. Western putback shot is good. Ties the game. And here's number 3 bounce pass. Number 7. Sa gitna. Naagaw dito. Dumakdak. O hindi pala, sinahusaw lang. Luke Rose. Pass to number 3. Luke Rose to the left. Gadding. And it's number 7 with the post. Kicks out. Here's Rose. Sa gitna. Pasa kay Gadding for 3. Bang! 3 points, Gadding. Rose. Corner pass. Another one, Gadding. In and out. Rebound dito kay Manuel. Luke 2. Lug 2 at the top. Lug 2. Corner pass. Manuel. Lug 2. Inside pass. Zapata. Fakes. Create space. Pull up. Jumper. Bullseye. Rose. Bounce pass. Pass to the corner. Posting up against Zapata. Natapikan. Zapata. Pass to number 15. Number 15. He stops. Manuel, Lug 2. Lug 2 to the middle. Number 15. Lug 2. Open, fires at 3. No. Rebound, number 15. Pull up, jumper. Piso-piso ang dating. Rose. Pass to number 3. Pass back, Rose. Rose. Atake dito, pinasa, natapik, Lug 2, baseball pass, sakto yung pasa, picks, umatake, wow, the window, Hernandez. Lug 2, now at the top, passes to number 15, number 15 sa gitna, Lug 2, atake, number 15, sumigway, floater shot, bullseye, another 2, back to back, 81 pala, Rose. Rose drives, inside pass, libreng-libre. What a pass from Luke Rose. Manla pass against Luke Rose. Iiwan si Luke Rose, side step, kicks it out wide open. Manla pass, bang! 3 points. Rose, sumigway against Manla pass. Nadapa, guard the ball. Nag-agawan, up, uy! Sinapak. Yon. Hernandez. Sumesegway. 4-3. Short. Rebound mapupunta kay Luke Rose. Luke Rose. He stops, waiting for his teammates. Drives, floater shot, bullseye. Hussein sa taas. Pass to Pineda. 4-3. Bang! Pineda! Number 81. Pass to Paredes. Corner pass. Number 29. Top shot. Bullseye! And number 3. Paredes. Corner pass. Pass back. Paredes for 3. Won't go. Rebound Hossein. Hossein. Against Rose. Hossein drives to the hoops. That's good. Hossein. Rose. Pass to Dorilla. Number 11. Stops to Luke Rose. Sa gitna. Fakes. Wings for 3. No good. Rebound number 11. Babangga. Hindi na itulak pa. Rejected. And here's Hossein. Hossein for 3. Bang! 3 points. Hossein. Hossein again to Luke Rose. Hossein pass to Hernandez. Hernandez number 15. Side step. Inside pass. Ang gandang alleyway play by Zapata. Rose. Rose goes to the screen for 3. Bang! 3 points. Rose. Side step plays bullseye.